Hi, in this video, we are going to see Amazon promotions. What are Amazon promotions and what are all the types which is available for us to use and how to set up Amazon promotions for your product listing. Let's start with what are Amazon promotions. Amazon promotions are ways to provide various benefits to people who purchases your product. You access these promotions through advertising section in your Seller Central account, which I am going to walk you through in a minute. You already used this percentage of promotions during our launch phase. When you're doing our launch, you have already seen this 50%, 60%, and 70% coupon code that we have generated. The same way we are going to do this. However, there are a couple of other types of promotions that can be very much useful for your Amazon business. So what are all the types available? One is there are two promotions available. One is money off or percentage of promotion. Used primarily to get shoppers to buy more units in a single order. If they buy two products at the same time, 2 units at the same time, you can offer 10% discount, or if they buy 3 units at the same time, you can give another higher percentage of discount, and so on. This leads to increased keyword ranking for your product. Do this using special offers and product promotion section on your product detail page. This will be shown on your product details page also. I'm going to show you in a minute. That also I will show you how to set up this promotion in a minute. And one more promotion that is available is buy one get one promotion. It is a great way to promote a new product and get some sales velocity by offering it as a bonus. Suppose you have one product that is live now and it is selling well. When you're launching a new product that you wanted to get the sales velocity, you can give that product as a free bonus to your existing product. This way you will increase the velocity, you will get the ranking. After some time, it will get organic sales, and you can also use PPC to boost even more sales. There are multiple ways you can use these promotions. I am going to show you a couple of examples now in a minute. I'm also going to show you how to set up these two kind of promotions now. Let me share that screen. When using the percentage of promotion or money of promotion, you can use an image in any one of your image spots available. You have 7 spots available on your listing. You can mention, you can use this kind of image in any one of your product listing. For example, in this example, I have chosen a kettle, water kettle. If they buy, if a customer buys two product, they are going to get 10% off. If they going to buy 3 product, they are going to get 15% off. And if they are going to buy 4 units of the same product, they are going to get 20% off. I'm going to show you how to set up these promotions in Seller Central. I'm also going to show you how this will look in the product details page, as Amazon has a section called product promotions. Let me show you that. Just a minute. Yeah, this is how this kind of promotion will show underneath the product image. This is where you will, above this you will see your product image and your bullet points. Below the bullet points you will see a section called save extra with these 4 offers, or it will say something like product promotions. And sometimes Amazon is testing this title recently. You will find any title here. Below that you can set up these many any number of promotions like this. These are also called promo stacks. If you have a stack of this many promotions in your product detail page, it is really very hard to skip this part. People will get notice and people will try using it, because we are also mentioning that on the image. For more details to get the coupons, we have mentioned here in the image details on product promotion sections below. People will find this section and they will get a coupon. Amazon, we can set up a coupon code. They can use it in their checkout to avail this promotion. How to set this up? To get to this promotion, as you know, visit click on advertising tab, click on promotions. You will come to this promotions page. There you will find money off or percentage of promotion, and buy one get one promotion as well. To create this money off promotion, click on create, and it will take you to a page like this. Here, when we are creating for when customers buy 2 product, you have to mention what customers buy 2 product, what they are going to get, 10% of 10% discount. And here this thing will say at least the quantity of item is 2, percentage off is 10%. Then scroll down to set up your the schedule the dates. Here since this promotion you can run this for up to a year, you can update it after a year. You can change the date to for 1 year long, and you can mention the internal description and tracking ID, so that you will understand what promotion is this when you are checking the information on your order details report. This is for example, here I have mentioned as promo stack 10%, and here we are going to use a group coupon, and this coupon can be of anything that is 8 characters long. If you click on this, Amazon will suggest you different coupons. You for only few things you need to keep an eye on this. One is you should avoid 0, because people might confuse 0 and letter O. They will get confused, so they will not know what to use. And you can avoid I. People think either I as 1 or I. They will get confused. To avoid, you can avoid those 2 characters in here, and you can use anything else. And this should be preferential, and you have to make sure this is checked on details page display, because we are only giving 10% discount, so it should be visible on the detail page. If you check this on only, it will show here in the product details page, otherwise it will not show in the product details page. Then you can scroll down and you can see the what it will look like in the product details page. This is the standard message that Amazon gives you. You can also customize this by clicking here. It says 10% each on qualifying item, but in this example, see, I have changed it to buy more, save 50%. You can but you can customize that message by typing your own message here, and you can click on review and you can submit the coupon. The coupon will be live after 4 hours. You can do the same thing for when people buy 3 pieces, you can change it to 15% discount. When they buy 4 pieces, you can change it to 20% discount, and you can create how many ever coupons you want. And this is how you create promotion coupons. Next is buy one get one. You can, for buy one get one promotion, you can do it for the same product. If you have one product and you wanted to increase the sales velocity and increase the session percentage, you can do this for the same product. You can use one image on the 7 spots available, like buy one of this product and get one free. And you can also do like buy 2 product and get one free. Like you might seen this in most of the garment stores. When you buy 3 shirts, they will give you 1. When you buy 4 pants, they will give you 2. You can alter this however you want, and you can create it. And you can also do it with other products. When you're launching a new product, suppose this is your, for example, this is your existing product. Now this is a kettle. Now you are launching a flask but to the same existing audience. People who buy this will also be interested in buying this product. In this case, you can offer buy this product and give this product for free when you're launching it, so that you will get some sales velocity and some momentum to this product, and it will also rank organically, and you will get some visibility. And you will also, it will also helpful in putting this together in the frequently bought together section. Here, if you continuously do this promotion for some time, Amazon will understand whoever buys this product also buys this product, so it will put you in this frequently bought together section, so that your order value will be increased over the time. So how do you set up this buy one get one free promotion? To do that, you have to click on this buy one get one free offer, and you can once you are there, you will be taken to a page like this. Here you have to mention how many units customers should buy to get this offer. For example, to buy for this example, if you want to give this promotion, if they buy 1 product of this, they are going to get the same product. To do that, they have to buy this product, and here you can choose the asyn that you want to in this example, the kettle asyn, you have to choose it here. The offer is free item. What they are going to get is the purchased item. Whatever they have purchased here, they are going to get the purchased item 1. For example, if you want to give offer, like if 2 units bought by the customer, you can give 1. So in this case, you will have to change here two units, so that when somebody buys 2 units, they are going to get one of the same product. In case you want to do an offer where you will, if somebody buys a kettle, you are going to give a flask now. To do that, you have to mention this unit as 1, and you have to choose kettle here. And the qualifying, if you click on this drop down option, you will see something called qualifying item. Here you can mention that flask ASIN number and the how many quantity you wanted to give, and rest everything is same. Here you are going to change the end date. Like if this kind of promotion, you can run it for a couple of months or 1 month or 2 months or 3 months. Once you get that momentum, you can stop this promotion. Here you can mention the internal description as buy one kettle, get one flask, like that, so that you will remember what it is. And here there is no need for coupons, so it should be none. And the display text should be checked on, and you will be able to see what Amazon is going to give you, that this thing in the standard text, and you can also customize it here. And once you have done everything, you just have to click on review. And once you have reviewed it, you can submit it. After 4 hours, this promotion is also going to go live. So this is how you can use promotions for your Amazon products. Once these promotions are live on your Amazon page, you can also send this message to your people on your ManyChat or in your email list, or you can do some Facebook promotions for these offers that your promotions you are doing. So that's it for this lesson. I will see you in the next video. Bye.